Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Jeff from Xtreme Detailing. We are here at the shop today in Virginia Beach. We are working on quite a big toy, as you can see. It is a 2019 Ram 3500. It is brand new, fresh off the showroom floor. The customer brought it here directly from the dealership. He didn't want to waste any time in getting that paint protected. We're doing a 3 to 5 year ceramic coating on the paint. We're also doing a 3-year coating on the windshield. That is glassparency, because we are authorized installers of glassparency. We're going to airbrush in a plastic trim coating into the wheel wells. We're also going to do a semi-permanent tire dressing on the tires. Yes, I did say semi-permanent. We believe at least 6 to 12 months. It's new technology, so we can't really vouch for how long the manufacturers say it's going to last. But after installing a few, it is pretty promising. I can see at least 6 months out of it. And who wouldn't love 6 months of protection and tire dressing not slinging back? I mean, no sling. You will have no sling. You can even rub it. You'll see it's nice and shiny in the end when we show you in the video. But you can rub it and no dressing, no oils or anything will be left on your fingers. We're going to go into the inside too as well, and we'll put down a fabric protection across the carpets and the seats, because the seats are upholstery, and we'll be showing you that too as well. But we'll put a fabric protection down on there. It should last about 2 years. It is really hydrophobic, so water will bead up and any type of spills will bead up on the carpets and floor mats and the seats as well. So check it out. Now we are at one of the most tedious tasks, which is treating this trim. The plastic trim is one of the biggest pains in the industry. We have several techniques. We have little swabs that we use to get little tight areas, and we also do a lot of airbrushing when it comes to this portion. So check it out. Hey, look, I don't work for Ram, but man, this is a nice truck. I might have to just, piss my wife off and bring one home. This is a big boy toy for real. Picture myself in there.
Start from the bottom, work your way up. You know what I'm saying? Like Drake said, starting from the bottom, now we're here.
We have completed, one more time. We have completed the Ram 3500. It's a 2019, brand new. Customer picked it up from the dealership, brought it straight to us, wanted to protect and preserve everything that's on it and make maintenance on washing something big like this really easy. So we put a 3 to 5 year coating on the clear coat. We put a 3-year coating on the glass through glassparency, because we are authorized installers of that. We put a semi-permanent tire coating on there. The tires will stay dressed like that for at least about 6 months. The manufacturer does say the life of the tire, but we don't tell our customers that because we never oversell. We don't overhype stuff. We just sell it realistically. Inside the wheel wells, we have actually airbrushed in a plastic trim coating that should last about 2 years inside the wheel wells. Every other piece of plastic on the vehicle as well has been coated. The running boards on the sides, the plastic trim on the top, the plastic side mirrors on the side. We airbrushed in the plastic trim on the front of the vehicle, all in the grill. I mean, all even in the back of the grill, like the grill parts. There was the little plastic pieces on the rear of it. Actually, like right up in this area right here, we have treated all of that too as well. We went in the inside and we actually treated the fabrics. All the fabrics have an interior coating on that, which has hydrophobic properties too as well. So spills and everything will beat up on the carpets and seats. If you would like to get your vehicle, your brand new vehicle or older vehicle preserved and protected, give us a shout. We like to say, if you want it to be clean, take it to the extreme. I hope you enjoyed the footage. I hope you enjoyed the whole video. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace.
All right, first and foremost, I want to give a big shout out to Xtreme Detailing for definitely taking care of my vehicle. It looks just like it did when it came up the showroom floor. When I brought it down here, we had a couple issues with it. But you know, the owner, Jeff, went on and took care of me. He said, hey brother, don't worry about it. We're gonna get your vehicle straight. Today, I'm picking it up. I'm completely pleased with it. I definitely will bring other vehicles of mine down here. I got a few other vehicles, you know, motorcycle as well, that I'll bring down here and have Jeff and the people here at Xtreme Detailing go ahead and get my rides together. But big shout out to them, and I definitely will be a return customer.
See that dude right there in the back? That's my oldest son. Yeah, he always put on headphones because he like to act like he don't hear me. But yeah, see the back of his head is real flat. That's because I used to smack him in the back of the head all the time when he was little. Yeah, See, now he hear me. You see him right there? That's him. That's my oldest boy. Look just like daddy, don't it?